I'm splitting these phlox today, and basically you just want to make sure that they have roots all around.
It was pretty root bound, wasn't it?
Yes, and then you don't want to not have enough roots. So this one we could probably cut one more time, probably just about in half. And then these are two that I have already done.
Okay.
And I'll show you how you can cut this one now. So you can see right here, that main thing, you don't want to cut that because that's the main root. You want to go just to one side of it. So I'm going to go to this side because it has more roots right there. So I'm going to go on this side. There you have it.
Nice.
2 cuts.
Good job. All right, tell us some reasons why we should grow phlox.
One reason is that it is drought tolerant, which means it can go dry in between waterings.
Okay, what else?
It is an evergreen, which means that it blooms every year.
But does it stay green, right?
Yes,
through the winter?
it stays green.
Yeah, that's one of my favorites. And is it annual or perennial?
It's perennial.
All right, what does that mean?
That means it grows new flowers every year.
Awesome. Okay, and how does it grow? Tall or short?
It grows thick and low.
Okay, and this is what I think is so cool, is because this is phlox and it spills over the borders or the edges of your garden or wherever you plant it, right?
Yes.
All right, do you know what color these ones are?
Yes, they
What?
are scarlet flame.
All right, what color is scarlet flame?
Scarlet.
It's like hot pink.
Oh, hot
It's kind of a reddish hot pink.
Yeah.
All right, well, thanks for your help.
You're welcome.